ya dana. Adwo hwa na na ya brefo fiam ankwata makle do mu ina sese omude nyoma hodo na bre wo bedwam so na Dom TV multi TV. So we have to say the next 45 minutes ya dey wrap up on pensemu Mamenda Minister Deputy Information Minister say what I say my good friend Fred Agbenyo for the NDC and part of the communications team also at Nase. Yebeda Habibi Herbal Clinic for us say one also so kwanson koso say yemfasa ankomo we emfa embro Habibi IIT sonko bia ema moja etimedia frusani na afi wate apo na waye eye nipa mua ankasa. So it's good for the morning. Open on tea agency bia Kenswalk Herbal or Kanshi Insure Herbal or Takwa and Tema Community 8 obo Habibi Herbal Shop so Doma Hinkro opposite Tuesday Market and I'll be from on 0243 039939. Now what you may Odu Nichre or Doc Opposite Anointed Electricals and Afe Sepetim Pom Junction Kumasi Habibi so Fete Kakraba Kubeasi Ubehuan say MRF said this is one of the latest in terms of technology. Formless.com so Kyle say there is an online portal that gives you a user-friendly platform. Ubetimi report no post to pictures and videos of missing or found persons or items with details. Well, there are various categories Ubetimi operating under which is missing or found persons or items are posted. Upaswati say ye party formless.com from 0302 904999 or 0248 274999. Yakosum Kunkoma, the families of Enim are more Oda, Joe Enim, Kobe Enim, and the Enim family, Charles Enim and Nemo Mame. The sad one is that you've lost your dad. He happens to be a very good friend of mine. T. Monshade, Ebreti Seymo. It's not easy. Moments are tough, especially with the loss of your dear dad. Radin come home. On the brighter side of life, we do birthday now. Happy birthday soon come on. And greetings to Yenyanum Somo Amanoni Omajibra Mushebi. Australia, Michael and Ketia Boachi. In the US of A, Guy G, Ama Grant. And then we have Mr. Eugene Boatin Asa Into Yadamasi. Honorable Deputy Minister Information, when was the first time I'll break your virginity? Under what circumstances?
Politics, when was the first time about program this to say and I say
no. I'm talking about your virginity. When did you see a woman? At what age? What was the circumstances that led to that?
Hey.
Yeah.
So will be say you.
Yeah. Yeah, but just tell us. Just tell us when you broke your virginity. Logos who I can see say logos who I wild, and you know. No. Obekane actually later, but we are ready to listen to the Deputy Minister Information, Pius Hajide, to tell us about the first encounter of breaking the virginity. It will be interesting anyway. Oh, you are a person who's settled. So, at what age? What I can recollect is 1992, mere national service. Oh. And I can look at the lady's face and remember, I think it's not fair, but Vera Nameka. And my mother had to beat me up because when I got to that point, I didn't know that was it. Now me, a young guy, maybe 92, 6'4", meaning even how it happens, because all I felt was that there was something pushing me like I want to urinate. And then I was calling my aunt, and all those things, you know. That was 92, yes, after service. I was cussing. How did yours happen?
Well,
depend on Leo one. I say.
Ya can't kakra wo bo. Na yenim kakra. Every me go school na me.
So with this question I would ask you. That's what I say. It's good to know when you broke your virginity because it's nice. The first lady that made you feel like something was really in the world. I check kakra.
I check.
Mine 92, I did well, 6'4".
Yeah, 92, I was school second year. But by that time, it's like some of us grew up now. My papa, my senior cousins, almost a few baby. Say, I know some cause fresh myself. I can say. Guys, almost okay. This year,
Ubusa from the cell.
this year in step. Okay,
Oh my goodness.
I said I got now now this yes, but I don't remember exactly.
Anyway,
it was within the school enough.
we can't because me papa.
93, 94, baby now.
Yeah.
Right,
Okay, it's
What
not
about
bad.
18,
It's one of
19,
those things
yeah,
in life. Minister Kwaba, if no man name seems not to be well, it's not a good song for the party. It's no matter to say PDS, no matter to say you close it down, a year manganese, a year company, and all those stuff is not singing the takrade missing girls or found girls or whatever. Why? What's happening? BBI.
There your money.
Yes, sir.
Ne di kan minchia na minchia minia Fred na minchia Adom TV. Ahwefo nyina na no pay. Ebiom no wo say ye nyina ye boy ho ye ma ye ho congratulations. Ye boy ho abaso. First time wa ye nyina ya kan ye ho abomu a ye fa ho di a ye gi ye nyina anim se eye America potokasem ye betumi aka ne se eye relay onim sa America na ye to 4x4 no obi bedwane na odi baton na ma obi na obi so adwane na odi ama obi ye ne sa kosi nia nka obeye last leg no akwaye say ye struggle towards independence no sana akwaye enti no ewumu se eye obi ene kra baton ne de ma ye di twa line enti no ye nyina ye ni woni so ye ntumi emfensie da se ye mampanyin dada Dr. Kwame Nkrumah enana wo ye the last leg of the relay baton kra no ye gi independence but enye no kra so se ono nkra ne tu meka no empanyinfo akuku dam bebre pa grant mu eka ho ni takiko memu eka ho empanyinfo a
I don't. Me not see a discussion before this area because
it's important
probably to sum it up. I think President Kufuor, John Dramani Mahama, late Atamils on this issue of the Dagbon crisis. But when it ended up, we said Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo started it and he's completed it. That was what your party was saying. There has always been. But there's always been. Please, don't run away from that thing. The NPP says that he's assuming under his term. And what you want Dagbon crisis is about to a legitimate end, which is perfect.
But that does not mean that. That does not mean that. That does not mean that. Nana on his own. The prominent chiefs ekuo na yeti ya Asantehene na dienim
let's
it's important because
the president says that we should rise above partisanship in discussing but the premise on which this whole thing is coming history is somehow some way being tainted honestly. Because why do we want to run away from the fact that is it the Nkrumah as the lead character that is a cause of worry to us, or who told you that Ghanaians has never appreciated people who supported the cause? Then we have to bring over 1,000 people who were part of the cause.
That is why
over 1,000.
That is why you can found this. Don't just say nipa mienu. Just say obi biara onu so se mpaibompo se ni sika o se ni bre e na onu so say ya onu bua ye ma ye gi ye found no onu so okan who founders day no and no so we say
I think that the most important thing is that it's Founders Day. We agree to that. I have my dissenting opinion. That's what I've said, but I'm saying that is the status quo now. That is Founders Day, a recognition of people that your administration believes that they were part of.
Administration.
No, people that your administration believe that they were part of. No, but yes, my uncle was part of it. Now I'm recognizing my uncle.
One of you say one client count and nothing I no founders. So that na other ya publicity dimbi say we mun recognize. Yeah, publicity dimbi anti wo GD me so me busu afọ kan ho bi. Togbesiri na o kan ho bi. Enti no me so me feel say ti.
Nana.
Oh, yeah,
Nana Kwame
was part of the process.
Oh, the break. I think so. Now, I can share topics now about.
Because we have minister of
I understand. Some of that to be again. Some okay. Nini nice and swine. Ne hon channel. Or the deliberate. Yeah, deliberate. Do have shame. Just say somebody to join it. Ghana, Abakosem, history of a nation.
Yes.
It's just like a calabash. Who the shades some no me any sense. That's how it is. These are termed by Nana Akufo-Addo and the UP tradition to change the course of our history.
What do you mean change?
To misrepresent our history. We all don't need to be 100 and over years. I say in Ghana history, we all have read. We know the role you play. Hey, Ghana, the problem of this country is as a result of the attitude and the behavior and the conduct of the Danko-Abuja tradition.
It cannot be entirely correct.
That is why I try to
cannot be entirely correct. You might have the
Aborigines Rights Protection Society. 4th August
in 1966. When the whole of Africa could attack, who be the Intibida, these people know how to even throw bombs. They know how to kill people. They know how to topple a government. So elected government. We know your history.
No,
we
can
go back in history. Before the UGCC came into being, by 1944, 1945, Aboriginal Rights Protection Society has been there.
4th August.
Go back and check. 1944. Now the Fanti Confederation, the rest have been there.
Yes.
The Yas Antibas are fought by 1901.
Yes.
The history of this country is there for everybody who wants to know. The UP tradition, go and find out when South Africa was arrested as a result of the positive action that he declared by the British, and they arrested 5 other people. They came out to say, now Nkrumah is so ambitious. Nkrumah declared the positive action. When they came out and want to take their glory, they called themselves the Big Six. What Big Six? Big Six for what? What role did they play? We know your history. Go and change University of Ghana, make it Dankwa University of Ghana. Change everything, brand it your name, nobody cares. The history of this country will remain. Or several Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, several years ago, he died in 1972. We would have that. When we were looking for Africa of the millennium, unknown the Mandelas and the rest were alive, but we picked him. We picked him as the African millennium. And now could do Ethiopia. AU building hall, Okoshen the statue Akesie, some states in America. They celebrate Nkrumah. You people cannot sit in Ghana here and try to equalize Nkrumah, to try to bring him down, to try to compare him to bomb throwers and people who know to stay violation for bushes throwing bomb. We know your history very well.
Let's also not get it wrong, because history being rewritten, whether right or wrong, we need to all appreciate that there's one factor. The position of the MPP is that it cannot be entirely correct and factual that the lead character in this case, Dr. Sajifo, was the only...
Who can ever say that?
But that's the picture.
Nobody can ever say that.
That's what I'm saying.
Everyone can say in a relay race. In a relay race. Obi awa to relay race. Obi nesha
but
siyo. Onipa ne nibe wiye no. Often to ane celebrate no. Yebo football. 11 players na park so. Yebo ma. Wa odi final one nibe share pool no. Uno obi a ebe celebrate. It's always the case. Blaster kobo matcha. Say you know you're contributing one way or the other. But who do we celebrate?
Yes, Antoine is also a
typical
example.
And so for me, this thing, we know what they are doing. And I don't blame them. They have never liked Nkrumah. They believe that they brought Nkrumah. When Akwaje recommended him, they brought him, they paid his airfare, brought him, rented a place for him. But if Nkrumah was sleeping in Europe at the time, Akwaje wouldn't have recommended him. At the time, Nkrumah was already in America, was in Europe, organizing West Africa students. They were already movements towards the liberation of the African continent, especially West Africa. We know that it was playing. And see, we know where we have come from. After Nkrumah arrived in this country, go and check the tradition of UGCC. UGCC may not necessarily be a real political movement to win political power. It was a group of businessmen and elite people in Sopon who formed that group. After Nkrumah arrived in this country and started door-to-door politics, organizing people and the rest. We didn't know anything like that.
Okay.
Political life. And 4th August, yesterday at least, I don't know what it meant to us. Almost say Founders Day. It was a national holiday. Almost Nkrumah's Day and the Bear Commemoration Day. The reality is that this thing can only last as long as the MPP remains in political power. As long as they exit power, it will not be there. Oh, but why? It will not live beyond them. The reality is not live beyond them. I'm telling you the truth. It will not last beyond them.
This is very bad.
Oh, yeah. So bad. It will not last beyond them.
Omahini, Nedikan, Mimi Kamasemwa, Minjini, Abana Yebabe to home. Mr. Tikamasem, Mimbo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Dimboni Biawaha. Enti mi hu koka ya ye every buy akunugu bomb twins ni nyina me nua onnim na bakosem o okay kurampo se
I never made you
bomb throwers
yes
bomb throwers
go and find out
bomb throwers
yes I know
na bomb throwers no buy no na share political parties here prosecution at the time ankofo kra ye bomb dis so matro boy wo kasa na me wa ha me yekom me board Dr. Kwame Nkrumah din boni bia e wa
no
nia me pache ne se e wo se ye nyina Ghana fo ye ka ye ho bom na ye hu ne se obi so wusi wo fa ka ho wo fa so ye nipa onu so ka o play role ni bi enti onu so ye recognize wa ese fata ye si wade ayira na wotia obi die so se wo hwehwe wo die wo nya enti se me se anasa se MPP eye ekuo a ye feel se obi biara wo fa ka ho obi so wo fa ka ho obi biara onu so bo aye yenma obia hunu no se onu so ni die wo mu na mu die mu se mu pa ye mu asem
okay
but why enti se mumu se mu ba betwemu a mu ni Ghana fo se wo a wo se wo fa wo mu se wo na wo be pene se wo for recognition no omu yi no free mu a ye wo wasem
okay
pa grant a wo onu free secondary se secondary fo no omu so kakra omu so benya ne se omu so omu nipa ka ho ye be free mu a central region yen ayigbefo yesu ye bua yesu ye ya ho ase ye mpanyifo e ka ho e na mumu se mu ba ba yi wo mafiri mu a mo amasem
okay
but me catch you say 4th of August no it is not so pon nkra na ye 4th of August no on the 4th of August 1897 mpanyifo shia wo ye Aboriginal Rights Protection Society which actually started the movement no 1897 aye start here no na nka JB Dankwa anase buzu asema ediba no na o tiase 1897
so you can come on so
Aboriginal Rights Protection Society no can one no. You need to reference it well.
Okay, so
Saba Moches had the answer.
No,
it was really to protect the land.
Okay,
and
yeah, but that was the beginning. But that was the beginning of the dynamism. That was the beginning of the dynamism. Now, that was the beginning. Kwame Nkrumah would day a holiday. And your commemorative day, a holiday. Only one catch a holiday.
Walk us through the Takra Day.
A holiday. It is not.
Only one a holiday. 21st September. A holiday.
Now the kidnapping. What is the latest on it? How far have we come as a country?
Well, the latest, then it's a brief and mimic cry. Actually, say a police for a good so moye and shishemu. Kai say a buy no. Ye ka say near was a buy a bia ye bear. Ebebo security mpanyimfo no chidom se omobe ku etia boniye ewoye mamu no aban no aguso a woye asemi baaye yenyina ka se nya dia wo se yesoso ntino police for enye nhwehwemu a emu odene na yentumi nkosa asemi to the very bottom of it ye chi obi yenyantie se odwane police for esa echi no biom ye ko obi manso kra ekochi ba kokra eka ho Togo nti sisi amene ukase ye nipa mienu a yachi wo mu a omogina court say emi say last week na it is police intelligence ni elidi wo mu amamu ko ba bia omukonya mortal remains dompe enibi womu si omu ko akoye ehun DNA na omu betumi ehun se eye ye nuanom emana ye ka omu hasem se o mayira ewo Takra no oye omu ana se eye obi fufuro bi mi we nyina e kire me se a police fo no ese nhwehwemu no omugu so eya me nia me hu se adansede abeda ho se enya dia file no akoye cold file ai kire se wo magai ehun adwumaye minim se ache bako de akabe 11 days na akoye 1 year asemisi August of last year a police for no eguso a omudi hu adwuma me no I feel say it's important say yebe ema a police for kwan na omuguso a omubeye ne ose omoye admittedly no enyemani bi management of information ene kwan a yefa so communicating enyemani bi ehwa to chima bebre me I'm on record to have said it say police for nankasankra no historically no communication has never been a function of management yeah o madwene ekọ o madwuma no so say ye kwakoye investigation na ya chi boniyefo na edi o makọ court they have not historically focused on communication say modern day police ya be bibia na press briefings ba uko uhwe America UK be omuchi nipa kra omutumi frɛ nsenkyerefo nhwemu na woma ama regular updates and so on and so forth. Gradually no I think that the police needs to watch how communication is handled. Of course over the last couple of years or so no we have seen some progress even in that regard. Maybe Tremona police kwa na omuni PRO pa so say unim sa kakra ene de omunya PRO sin kakra so the way some of the communication was handled no was problematic and there obi aka odika nemum no uka enu sinchen a ekirese police fo no omuguso a omoye nhwehwemu yenta wo machi na yema omomre na yensan srese obi biara uso bibi abetwa waso mu wohu bibi pen wati bibi pen enye late yesi boni de enwu nti no uso wati bibi pen wohu bibi pen twiben a police fo no ne bon wo mu amane na lead bi omo benya no na wo mu entuaso na memfa akonya yesu na ebiom no ye be ka kire ebusuafo no ene ye nuano mu titru ya ye wo takrade ene ni importem se adwubra hombrase ene yenka yakuma to yeyem na onyame wo ho bibia wo say ye bia
so yenko try hombra about Fred but I me that's for your how you've tackled this situation. I think you're just on point. I reserve all the comments because can be busa further questions on what, but I don't know. But Fred, you could try my bar. You're able to talk. Okay. Yakwaba. That's what you said. So you can, I know, but that's what you said. That what Prophet Kobe said was right.
I'll catch you on air. I don't like those things.
But what did you say?
Did I say that?
What did you say?
Did I say what I said?
What did you say? What did you say?
Demonstration. That's all I asked.
You disagree to the demonstration one.
But you allow me to speak?
But did you disagree to the demonstration?
So why don't you allow me to speak first? Why are you saying that I did this on air?
Okay, go back to
Did I say what I said?
Go back to your issue.
Retract what you just said. I didn't say that.
Go back to your issue.
Retract what you just said.
So go back to your issue.
What you now be defending Bedu defending.
But you said that what they did was not right.
Ube defending Bedu Kobe there.
Let me say it.
Did I say that?
You knew be a problem.
Did I say that?
Ube defending Bedu Kobe there.
Don't do your program and don't condemn. Somebody, why did somebody go there and do that?
I only asked a question.
So if you didn't say that, you didn't say that. But go back to
so why did you say I said
you didn't say that. So,
but
no, but take it good. Go do
but
that.
now who can say me so
but he was here.
Sana me meti ase say wo na wo pese wo defending Bedu Kobe.
Me that dia o yi. E won so ebe ba ma.
Fred, go back to the issue.
Asemu Bedu Kobe poka na sorry. No na okay me.
It's not a joke.
Also okay.
But now
Bedu Kobe so okay single for.
I'm so disappointed in you.
No, just go back.
I am so disappointed.
Why did the book go to?
I only ask a question. I know where the
you disagree to that. You disagree
that. Did I say that?
You disagree.
But did I say that?
Okay,
can't you make a position?
Did I say that?
So
why do you come on air and come and say what I didn't say? Why did you come on air and come and say what I didn't say?
Okay, go back to your issue. Bedu Kobe then ko. Oh yeah.
Nyame fa obon nche. Nyame fa obon. Well, we nyina ya can't me ngamenka. But a chef for intimi do bon nche. Come on,
Beduko be sorry ba
Let him sit well.
No, but I am so disappointed with what you just did.
There be hold them enko. Papa no wan say.
Repeat what you just said. That's it.
Takrade, mame for any papa for busuafo a omo nkola yira. Ba kwa yira almost 1 year ni.
Beduko be official
Ebi 8 months ni. And opay ni ebe kan say nyame nkoso a na ohye moden. Nyame nkoso a na ombo mo ho ban. Yenim yawa se bi omo fam. Enya easy se oba wa hwe no. Opi okọ bebi aba na samba biom. Omamu ni nyina almost 1 year nie. Entimi hu nkola ifama ebusuafo. Yeti omamu see before be press conference say oh my ensro na nkola no bi omwo boni bi antu omo ye daily guide national chairman of MPP ni paper eba bonten ebe kire say nkola no oh ye hu omo hospital bi a ebe 37
National chairman.
Me say daily guide
okay.
MPP national chairman paper
Okay.
Ebe kire say omo hu nkola no
mo de bibia mo de be politics.
Nkola no wo clinic bi a ebe 37.
But that was what the paper reported.
Yeah, now national chairman.
Can you allow
that
me?
is the national, also the national chairman paper.
I'm saying this. Oh yeah, purpose person in government.
Sa connection no.
When we are talking, I kept quiet.
Minister, when you the point.
Enti yekasa
But it's
no.
not a fact that it's a national
Enti
chairman.
no, enti yekasa wa ha no. Na me be ka say Adom TV, na me di kwesitwuma ba.
But you are not wrong if you say
I'm saying that because Timopo e won adwem nti odi be ba. No na che say bia mo person mo
fanya Sedeli guy the Komra Asante dia. Me make reference to him because he's not an MPP member. It's not. It's a leader. The chairman of the party.
And the delegate
oh, what is this?
No, I think the difference is that delegate is not just a normal paper.
Asemo eba delegate mu bia no.
Deliberately. Suba waiting up to now. You be ankora ne wono. Suba wait. You can't. On person you can be.
Now, what do I know
for? Oh, see, what do I know for? Anka oba na yira for 1 year. No, minor tiada. See the banner beka we atre. National security for banner ka we atre. Municipal banner ka we atre ya. Anka na ka usu. Government meeting na no ba your program po.
Just waka.
Benam sanya we busu ani nti no. Wa beti na wa ka na de na ya bank so. Aban ye den.
Mama nche oni aban.
Aban ye den.
Na so bisa kwese.
Canada fo abrofo ba ha. O mu yira ye. How many days they take you as a woman? How many days and they Canada for call a kidnap your mono? Ghana for the and found.
Oh,
but the attitude,
you might have a challenge with how you might have a challenge if you draw the man to that extent.
Maybe nature me and say, the whole CID at me organize a press conference or be unfair to advance your muscle. Ebusuafo mamunsro Ghana fo mamunsro onkolani ya hu omo bibia boni bia ni ato omo asase e dia ka we akere ya edem bi mu ekagedem bi yet is national security for minister baboti say won bibia onkolani wo. And I was making reference to daily guide on put the hospital and myself on that demo can say fear the for be press conference they even gave us all those leads. And ne hweniete na ne me yawa asem mu nyina look how sensitive this issue is iyawa ebusuafo kom na say bi samanya information bi no makohu dompe bi obebi a why don't you wait and finish all your investigation and step some pampa ye nuanu mu kitiwe yi omu dompe ne yakohu why issue that statement?
What was contained in that
statement? The statement said yakohu dompe bi after ekoye forensic audit na ahun say papa eyomo anasa nyomo. Where we sit right now, the police cannot tell us for a fact. Just I don't believe
on this reason. I think the media misreported and misrepresented the facts that the police said, and that's why
you the media misrepresented.
Yes, you have to blame the media.
Okay, tell me what
I'm saying that the media went the extra mile because just like you said, the police never said that. What they said is what you have said. That they've seen these things and they are suspecting until they pass through.
Kwamra, all I'm saying is, I'm a security expert. But common sense tells me, say, I say me a check. Obia DH. Samanya lead be so. Just do it quietly. Take the distance. And then where we are starting now. It was a service sample. I don't know allow them to come and take the samples. It's when not like DNA test, no actual sample. And your man and say no more. And can we and I do and you make quietly the security for alcohol. Marco Famu don't pay. Muda come lab. My friend Bushia for papa and I'm a mumbra. Mumma sample. Yanko test. Mu yeni na information when yanya. Ghana for and any. Look how we are now. Say your most of the papers are reporting say a colano. Others are saying say and you know why the confusion? Can't we avoid this confusion? And to me, I'm saying say the way I handle this issue. It shall be one. Say tribute. I say my senator graduate from Asemquan. I am no na. Obako school. Not tell about point do not be do fear. We must show. Because we need never to Obaso. Na se beba ne sa na ma mu ne beti na say 1 year you say the information we about it's another than say it's your all we can come and say this man say oh we didn't manage the communication very well. Who is supposed to manage the communication well? Who is supposed to manage the communication very well? If today government is saying say and says the police service in the part didn't have a PRO department and they don't have the capacity to manage information, why did you collaborate with them and tell them say same way information be about information ministry
but subsequent ones, that's why the Ministry of Information took it upon themselves to communicate.
But the difficulty we have now is CID is speaking, government is speaking, national security is speaking, all of them will be a Canadian. Ajamu you will be there. Reality is so what is happening? Okay, you're about if you now tears us now. How will you feel? Na prekope osora no pa bia yesi akowo dompe bi o emurem e da to abonte me ba papa din kola na ewu and information on my earlier say kola na tiase de enye papa. Just put yourself in their shoes. And I'm saying say we could have avoided this particular situation we are now. Say yes, ya nye information we are suspect am I information ya ko fio ya ko de give bia won say dompe anaskas bi ho ya isa ne bre ho ye din na collab ya frɛ busuafo no. Oh, information be say at least manage it well. Because the issue is so sensitive. I bet now and our bag so and our police for how long? Timmy straight, I say na can and just any ordinary issue. Collab Baku university. Baku we are to say well GS and I say SS. And Baku so a young one. Omumi ensanya na and is it true say uncle for na kidnap you. Suspect na ya chi omo no kidnap nkola na mpampa omo police custody ne omo am information say yakun nkola no.
So the matter has not been handled well.
We have not handled the matter well, and we have not helped the family, we have not helped the Ghanaian public. We cannot be praising ourselves at this point and say police for yomujuma. We cannot, because where we sit right now nkola no way omo no mo ye dompe no. And now, Papa, earlier said they are in safe custody. No,
until families agree to even pick up the DNA.
But if you handle the issue like this, to the extent I read in one of the papers this morning, said family members said they will not cooperate with the police. Yeah. They will not allow them to take their samples. Now, if they insist that they will not allow them to take their samples, how are you going to do your research? How are you going to do your DNA test? So where are we then? Meanwhile, at this point, what I've thought said the family and the security agencies should collaborate. But the way they handled it from the very beginning. Ebusuafo no need GDO security services ni biom because na CID boss not just any other person no at me a press conference I assure Ebusuafo no nyina then she came back after several months to tell us say oh I did that just to allay their fears. How are we joking as a country? Can this happen anywhere in the world? Me kaka say oh omo ti aso mu ye say be ya Ebusuafo no how it means asem we hu me ya say be meet am so me wonkola me ye so wonkola ye busuafo ye wenuanom Ghana ni bia ne ho ka you should feel the pain then they handle the way we are going about it there. I don't know but me the only thing me what I prescribe at this point is say mestre busuafo ne bebre ye obi e wo mumu nyina no omo fan che at least we want to come to one final conclusion say yembati ase and ayembewu and the only way they can establish that they say sa don't pin no so manya ne no mo sample no no mo ko test so mo test na establish some pampa e yom ba na ewudia then they can convince themselves say yemba no omewu omunti ase it settles but so anya ne sa de bia odwe ho it puts burden and pressure on the family. And so, no permit that. So na Mr. Bushra for any na. Ye nyina ji tum fa ye obebre mu. Ba mo German nka. No mo collaborate with the police service no. Na information be application from mo nche fa mo. No mo nya hwehwe mu. Na nyina get to the bottom of this issue.
Okay. Minister, I think he summed it up for us here. No, he summed it up for us in this issue because clearly he's identified the challenges you've had as a government and as a security agency. He's done a prescription. That's what we're all looking for. Abushafon should cooperate. What we have got into.
Prescription need a nyachumuna woni kasa no na say expose no. Na papa na ho kana seme enye ya obi na woni mu efa abusuafo no bibia ho. Eye amanyosem ho na opese wo. Can you imagine? Oh, asem
can you imagine?
Temi. Eye nyachum. Eye politics ho no a NDC for EDC wo mene so se ene o ka che me se enka eye me ba.
Politics. Can you imagine?
Na wo ye.
Minister of State
unitima uni abada ye manipa. Enti wafa nipa asem kesese ediye amanyoso.
If the issue was handled anyhow like this.
Mimi utie mi kasa na mimi kaye. Udi tutu ni die no ho a. Wo sunsun aso kese pa ewu. Sunsun die kese pa ewu.
Menka nya wo pese menka.
Me pese wo kasa asem ya. Emfa amanyosem hunu e.
Amanyosem na maya no pe ya.
Amanyosem odi bemu ni se. Odi aban abemu.
Who is supposed to protect the citizens of this country? Whose responsibility is it? Whose responsibility is it to protect the citizens of this country? You know the government.
Nyachume woman say, Omamini, Aban Wowi, a Yaban assedie say, obe protect nipa any Japadi. Now, a Quambena, a buying a fast way in Juma, a buying a far police for Jumem, a buying a more Macadian, any Akundie. Sike ani bibi omo hia bia no aban edima wo enu na aban ne ye na a police fo no so esu ewo omo dia omo beye ewo mu na ne wo die na ye aban ne dia ewo mu awanye aban no amfa police fo adwuma mu na emfa nka aban no amfa akande ni akunde no emfa ma omo na se de na se a police fo
what he wants to say is the ultimate responsibility your government cannot run away from that.
I didn't even say the government. I said the state. We failed. That's what I said. I never even mentioned your government. I never even mentioned your government. I'm surprised you are saying what you are saying.
On Ghana ni bia even ni trim him baako ye betu kra na Ghana yasem but who can wasem no. Now one man say you create the impression say
the state has failed. There's nothing to do with it.
That's what I said. I didn't even mention your government. I said the state.
Oh mama come as someone. And the say Rebecca na sadia. Anyway.
Manganese a company. Just 5 minutes. Just do it.
Unfortunately, PDS name Rebecca wants But
we can pay for PDA.
Na Charlie well, so what that fun is idea. Me we say na JFM we program bi, we online poll bi ebisa. About 80% of Ghanaians can say abaya di enya. Abaya di abro. Abro ma create and mo che no mudi. Ne ha me anope anka make that their fan we bring say abai so no koya investigation to this issue. Can you imagine? I saw Cronfo ko wi ade. Na e ko chi ni wi a. Na sa Cronfo na so say me ko ehwe mu. How possible is that? How can government to investigate this and get where? Government that is so culpable in this issue. But look at all the actors involved in the issue.
What is that?
Look at all the actors involved in the issue. Yeah, by now. And to Nippon Hawaii born and on one set up committees or corruption. How possible is that? Then they are faggot and taxpayers' money. Please get their mom to acquire bridge. Say, you be public. Everybody come now. Ghana for a dear group. Yeah, dia kuma dia say, what are you talking about?
30 days.
Abai we, yeah, man, 30 days. Abai we, yeah, should be more man as a year or Ghana. Should we list all the issues that have gotten involved that are investigated and how it ended? You know the history. You want me to repeat all of them? You want me to repeat?
But I'm surprised how person
because the government cannot do it. Because I saw Cronfo, I'm Robert Rocco Bobby too. Now they actually say, "Wakona ko ehwehwemu." Oko hwe dem. I'm going to go protect no go cover no. If we are serious, I want to get to the bottom of this issue. This is not how we handle it. I want to see a media, a bipartisan committee. The media is part of it. A clergyman is part of it. Somebody from parliament is part of it. Yes, because we can't trust you.
You don't even know the issue.
This same government, we don't know the
yes.
I'm not proud of the PDS. Because we can't trust you. Because we can't trust you. Yes, your money will move. America. Why is so impatient?
Investigate what?
Why is so impatient? Yes, your money. America say badil bayo. I been set up committee. Say enko Dubai. Nenko yushimu. Company now so why go near your mind call hwe ni mo no. Ona ma etiquette. Ono high hotel de amamo wa ma per diem makot na makodi mo akono mo agimani mo san ba e na ko sese e na net ya ko du he nti aban we tire so ko enhwe mu a na we gye na to na ahwe no aban is only going to cover up. The government is so badly exposed. Ya tam o Mexico na ya cheche e de amamo e de hwe finance minister oti odin e na bibia na the company e na eji ho sika no mu di.
Who said, me see, only at some point, only
I am surprised. I'm saying, I mean, as a finance minister, I yelled, only Ugrophone company, now a department, someone in a can now a cocomo in a can be no. A cocomo again, so I acquired and finding out. Now, Crophone, I had the shares, the more 80% shares. Oh, what is the meaning of so keep quiet. Why is so impatient? I make a question. Say, I don't trust this government on this
on the 30 days investigation.
What is the
government issue? Cannot handle this issue.
What is the issue?
Government is only going to cover up on this issue. As Semisha said, okay, Alan Dogbe paper.
Larry Dogbe
paper.
Herald.
As Semisha from the very beginning, and I see PDS deal scam be home. A man for HAD. Oche guarantee na sanka efa bank guarantee na nka mo to mo fa no for ya de we o ma ko cheji aden san da ko insurance guarantee na gaba e je nhwem ni nyina mo kai o rifle back in March obi enfi okay ene abedru ha aban set up committee say yenko
so as much ado about nothing
enko si bebi akamna media go si bebi a
minister we It's a serious indictment on your government that or catcher say GDN.
No.
Mention all that the government has done in the past.
It's not any indictment. Me see, minimum. Asem na ba. Onusu wati dede no from me muntu onusu be kem. Asem 14 na ye cannot take.
No. What are supposed to be?
It means that no issue no. Because ye ma umre no.
Open mouth. What is the issue?
Tie.
Issue better how see me.
O say aban no onu unigide se aban no ebe hwehwe de no. Eye de asem na wo see aban no ntumi hwehwe mu.
Kwamra ma be tan so ma me 5 na me kire de say. Ye tumi ko PDS sem ni nyina mu.
Wonya be 5 minutes what
he said there's an issue with PDS. The details you cannot run away say this a person
me see na woman nemre no wo church issue bi ake.
Dia na waka wo ha o chese on issue. We go to the extent that we call finance minister. Look at the sort of people are so highly suspicious that is a party.
Is that the issue? Saturday no na issue.
But all
is that the issue? Onim issue no. Issue ni say.
Obi aye fraka.
Issue ni say. Aban agipine e say yen electricity distribution no ye dey kwa akoma ankwankran.
So you are not going to give us history never guys.
5 minutes. Want to me?
I'm not going to be. What does it mean? Who
5 minutes? Who the propaganda one catch? Enti mami mi so 5 minutes.
Ghanaians are not interested in the history. Ghanaians are what we have got it to now. Ghanaians know the history. How we gave them the concession. Na make us down can be. Now
mami come on.
Make us down the make us now do money. What you are not that
you are not that type.
I kept quiet.
Me train issue no so that next time when you are going
rough
me tell me train me say me say me man no apono kwa na onja propaganda
ma Ghana for apo
Ghana for tie enti no ansa na ye beba no na nhihye ewo edada se ade no ye di man krankran na tie don't worry mo man me so me hwehwe me wo yes am man me ni obenya problem wo man me na so me nya masem enti no ye ba ye no na anka ankrankran ni na ye di ade no man no na wo ye obroni na ye ka se na Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ne mpanyifo no ka se nia obroni betumi aye no obibini so ebetumi aye amasika bibini ebetumi aka bibini ha no yenhwe na yemma Ghana fo na nkasa enka omuhumbom na omunye sa adwuma no se be ya Ghana fo so no yebetumi anya adwuma eni sika ebrofofo no ba benya wa na anka yeso please
na be na me Ghana be piano pay ne okay na Ghana for beatia no pay you aha ya pa hu da ne ye kan say ma bo Ghana ne po ma
program we basa program me who kasa me tana me yekom etino asem ni say asem ni say o man ni na are na o yes and say
na history ma boss Ghana dey ka was my history
oh David o man who yes and na
tell me Shika